Ma always said, never order anything that you know you can make better at home. But this buffalo chicken dip, it was good. You know, it wasn't good. It was delicious. And I knew right away I was going to make it at home. So I hit the supermarket after the restaurant, and I'm here now making it. So let's go. So I have my pan nice and hot. And just going to add a little bit of olive oil. And today we're using chicken breasts. I didn't season it because there's going to be tons of seasoning already in there. One ingredient I'm going to use is smoked paprika. A generous amount. Remember, no wimpy cooking. And we're going to have this turn a light brown. We're not going to cook it all the way through, because it's going to cook in the deliciousness of the buffalo chicken dip. This is going to be so good, guys. Okay, our chicken's done. Only halfway cooked. Okay, in the same pan, a little bit more olive oil. Cream cheese, Philadelphia. And we're just going to have this melt down. We're going to use some sour cream. I'm using 2 tablespoons, well, maybe 3. 3 tablespoons. Some Worcestershire sauce. And of course, Frank's Red Hot sauce. I'm going to use the entire bottle because I know this is going to go. I know this is going to fly. Just going to add a little bit of pepper. And a dash of salt. And we're just going to have this simmer. Remember, I'm still cooking on low. Now we're going to add our ranch dressing. Okay. Now, as this is cooking, we're gonna make our tortilla chips. So, when I was at the supermarket, I forgot to buy the tortilla chips. So, I had these, so we're gonna make our own today. So, what we're gonna do, super easy. Just gotta cut them like a pizza. We're just gonna make triangles. Olive oil. Bring them out. Oh, our oven's ready. More olive oil. Pepper. And salt. And we're going to add more later. But I think our dip is ready. Let's go take a peek. I think this is ready to go in the oven. Let's combine our sauce. combination of mozzarella cheese and cheddar cheese. Our chicken. It's already starting to melt. I cut up some marinated jalapenos. I'm gonna toss it right in. Then also some fontina cheese to make it extra creamy. And of course, more cheese. Let's just finish it off. Then we're going to cover. And this is going to cook for 20 minutes at 400. So let's toss it in. Also gonna toss in our tortilla chips. Well, soon to be tortilla chips. Let's add a little bit smoked paprika. Let's make it a little spicy. And a little bit more salt. Oh, there goes my... All right, these should go in for about 20 minutes as well, because we want them nice and crispy. Alexa, set the timer for 20 minutes.
20-minute timer started.
As that's cooking, I'm gonna clean up my kitchen and I'll see you back here in 20 minutes. Now, just a little bit of scallions. Just to pop with the color. Just to pop. This looks amazing. It's so thick with the chunks of chicken. All right. Just gonna try a little. Ooh. Delicious. I don't know. The restaurant, it was good. Mine is good too. Yeah, but I do like sitting at the bar, having an appetizer, having a glass of wine, just relaxing. I don't know. I'll give it to the restaurant. At least the restaurant, you pay the $20 for the app. You get a nice glass of wine, have a nice atmosphere. But this was still delicious, and I would definitely make this again. But I'll give this to the restaurant because I really did enjoy that. So if you like these sort of recipes, give me a like, subscribe, give me a comment. I would love to hear from you. For the love of Ma, this was awesome. This was awesome. Now I just have to go and buy some wine. For the love of Ma. Thanks, Ma.